Hey there everyone, Dr. Beth Westy here, and oh my gosh, such a busy day doing lots of things around the house. I don't know if anybody else is like getting ready, right, for the next stage of things, you know, like seasons change, you got to turn things over, and it just makes everything seem different. And that made me, reminded me of a lot of questions I've had recently from a lot of women where they talk about, gosh, I've been doing this thing and this isn't working or that isn't working. And sometimes you are doing something that's leading you in the wrong direction. Other times you're just not doing it long enough, or you're not even tracking the correct thing. What do you mean the correct thing? Well, oftentimes how we're taught to take measurements, what markers to use, all this stuff to tell us whether or not what we're doing is successful is really the last thing we should be looking at here. Yes, these are in order of what should be changing for you, for your system, when you're doing something that is really, really positive, moving you in the right direction health-wise. If you would like more help, more guidance, there is an entire 12-week challenge that I have. Let me put the link right here in the comments where you can get on the wait list. Now, registration is available to the wait list only in about a month. So this program does fill in about 24 hours. So it's all nutrition that matches your hormones and your cycle, talking about how to work with your body and teaching you more things like this. So often we get stuck, caught up in something that is not really right for us. So we're going off of information that is really meant for men or, you know, a different body than ours. So even tracking things like energy and sleep are really, really, really important. It's essential to know that your body is getting healthier and functioning better as you're going towards your results. Otherwise, whatever results you're getting, you're not going to keep. It's not reasonable to think that you can sustain certain results when you've gotten there in an unhealthy way, right? So of course women are like, gosh, yes, I'm exhausted and, you know, I can't cut any more calories from my diet. Yeah, I know, right? Yeah, that's why energy and sleep improving, right, are some of the first things that we track when we're tracking your progress. If your energy is terrible, right? If you cannot sleep, right, and your sleep is getting worse, I completely understand that. But again, whatever you're doing to at that time to get results, you're not going to keep. So what we track, right? What we track is your energy improving? Are you waking up with more energy in the morning? That's a thing. You can actually get that. I promise it's a thing. Is your sleep getting better? Are you getting deeper sleep? How many of you have woken up in the morning and thought, oh my gosh, yes. It says that I slept 8 hours, but I feel like I slept for like 2 hours. Ugh. Yeah, that's a problem because it doesn't help your brain and body function better when you're not sleeping well. These are super common issues, right? You're not the only one. So that's one of the first things that we check on to make sure that you're getting the right results. Next thing here is I want to make sure that your workouts are improving. The energy that you're expending, oh my gosh, Murray, can you get Murray, kiddo? Yeah, Murray's down here, just running around, causing trouble as usual. That you're able to push yourself harder, that you're able to achieve new things. There was a gal that I worked with, this was amazing. We had started working together, she started the 12-week challenge, and about a few weeks in, she goes, oh my gosh, I don't know what the difference is. She goes, but my trainer told me that at her different workout stations for the day, she completed each one, the entire workout, 30 seconds faster. That's incredible. That's incredible to improve your performance that much. Murray, you really want to show me your duck? Is that it? Yeah, he really wants to show me his duck. Come here. Yeah, this is his duck. His pride and joy. Yes, Murray, you're super cute. Okay, go on, Murray. Yep, you're a good boy. Yes, such a big dog. Okay, all right. Will you give him a greenie upstairs, kiddo? Yeah. Okay.
I need to get his duck.
This is real life, right? I'll post a picture of Murray later in my stories. You'll see. He's adorable, but a stinker. Anyway, but again, when you have a puppy, you need to have that energy to keep up with them, right? Right? Yes. So that's one of the most amazing things that I've heard about workouts, but really getting through your workouts better is very, very important. Measurements changing, that's another thing here. Now your measurements should be changing, right? Your body composition should be changing. A great way to do that is take measurements. Measurements change though top down, right? Top down, like you should be like, oh my God, my bra size just went down, but my pants size didn't. What? Yeah, that's usually how it goes. I know. I didn't make the rules, right? That's not my choice. If I had to write it, that's not how I would, make that order go. No, but it is what it is. And as long as you know that that's what's happening, you're on the right track, right? You're on the right track. Now, how long could it be before these things start changing? It could be a couple of weeks. It could be a couple of months. What, months? Yes, months. This means that you could be on a weight loss program or doing something nutritionally different for 2 months before you see a shift and change. Now, I have a 12-week program, and that is designed to work with your body, right? Because a hormonal cycle is 12 weeks. Yeah, what you're doing now for your body hormonally will show up 12 weeks from now. What? Yes, I know. That's how long it takes in the female body. Yay. But as long as you know that, you know what to expect moving forward, right? Right? Yes. Last thing to change for women. Oh, you're so funny. Love your videos. Thank you. The last thing to change is the scale. Right now, you may have some weight loss happen sooner, right? You may have, I lost a few pounds pretty quickly. When I first started, great. It's usually inflammation. Yeah, it's usually inflammation, not actual fat loss. To get your system to actually burn fat, if your metabolism is slowed down and stopped, you have to reteach your system how to do that. It's an entire process. It can be very frustrating. Very frustrating, right? But unless you're going through it in the right steps, you're not actually going to teach your metabolism to work harder for you. So that's what we do in the 12-week challenge, right? And if you're measuring yourself on the scale, because your hormones are different throughout the month, it's important that you're not measuring yourself day to day, weighing yourself every single day and comparing your body today to what it was last week. Because, right, throughout the month, your body, right, when you ovulate is going to be different than when you first have your period. Fluid-wise, chemically, hormonally, everything is different. Everything is different, and that's normal. So you should have a different weight. So if you're going to weigh yourself today, wherever day you're at your cycle, say you're on day 5, compare yourself to last month, day 5. Now you know if you made progress. Yeah, again, things can take longer for the female body to track correctly. But as long as you're tracking correctly, you can really understand, okay, yep, what I'm doing is the right thing for my body. I am moving forward. I am getting results. And this is really taking me in the right direction where I get to keep my results. Like stop starting over again and again and again and just being frustrated with your body, right? It's not your body, right? This is how it works and functions. And once you start to work with that, it opens up a whole new world of how things are going to function for yourself. It's very exciting. So, other resources I have for you, of course, are my books, The Female Fat Solution and The Female Menopause Solution. These are on Amazon, an entire book for perimenopause and menopause because the whole body shifts and changes. Yes. Yes. Great question. The next 12-week challenge will we actually start in January. Registration, though, and again, that is on the wait list, which the link for that is in the comments. Registration opens for that mid-December. So that's why I have a wait list. You can learn more about it. Get on the wait list. That's the only place the registration link is released. Yeah, because it fills in about 24 hours, which is great, and it's super fun. But again, I don't want you to miss out if you want to get in on it. Yes, so other resources again are my podcast, The Female Health Solution, and then my YouTube channel is called Dr. Beth Westy. All my videos are archived there. They're great resources too. If you know somebody who's looking for some information, send them a video because it explains so much. So that's what I got for you guys tonight. Please let me know if you have any other questions or if you need any other resources. I'm more than happy to do a video on something you specifically are struggling with. So have a great rest of your night, and I will see you later.